Alright, hey, how's it going, guys? SvperDvperProductions here with another video, and it's a pretty exciting day. It's nothing big, this is just an in-between mod. I told y'all it was gonna be the tune, but it's not the tune. We got SvperDuper Joel in the back over there. He's chilling. What's up, Sean? What's happening? But what we're gonna be doing is, it's only the carbon fiber diffuser. It's from, I think, Night, something like that. That's who makes it. And it has a little third brake light on it. So we're gonna be installing that today. It's a pretty simple install, so it's not gonna be a long video, but without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, so here's the diffuser. You can see it's pretty nice. I picked it up locally from some guy. He threw it on and didn't end up liking it, so then I picked it up. And here's the wires for this brake light. It's gonna wire to one of, I think, the right side tail light. So yeah. Alright, well, first thing you gotta do, where I started is take off these interior plastics. It's just the 4 tabs, and then you just pry up on this plastic, and that's about it for that. And then I'm gonna start with the wiring first. So you're gonna disconnect 2 clips over here, and you're gonna tap into these wires in order to get that brake light to work. So let me disconnect those. I'll show you guys which wires you gotta do. Alright, so I got the connectors off. It's gonna be these 2 bottom ones right here. You're gonna take them off these little tabs that are located right there. And you're gonna be working with the top connector, the bigger connector of it. And you're gonna peel back this electrical tape. And it's gonna be the wires from there to here. It's gonna be black to black, red to red, and the yellow is gonna go to the lime green right there. So I'm gonna strip this back, go ahead and get those wires exposed, and then wire this in. Oh, and also I made a little hole in this little trunk grommet. Better lighting. I just made a little hole in it so I can run the wires through there. Alright, let me get all that stripped back. I'll show you that right now. Alright, so I can't figure out the wiring for it because it keeps flashing when it's on, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that at the end. So I'm gonna keep trucking along here, and I'm gonna go ahead and just install it. As you guys can see, use 3M tape all on the top, and we're gonna mount it with 4 bolts and 4 screws, and 4 bolts and nuts on the bottom, so that way it's really secure. But yeah, definitely use this 3M tape, because this 3M tape is way better than the one it comes with. The one it comes with, I didn't even get it, but it's like some cheap stuff. Just go with the 3M extreme mount tape. That way you guys never have issues. And obviously clean your surface, please. Clean your surface on your bumper and on the diffuser. So let's go ahead and install this, make the holes, and I'll be right back.
She said I'm bad, little baby a villain. She said I'm bad like Michael. I beat it up like I'm Michael. I run it back like Michael Vick. I am a killer. Matching nobody in real. Chopper gon' have your eye dancing like Thriller. All of them out just like I'm a dentist. Hit me LA, ain't leaving no witness. Serving up all this shit, ain't no tennis. VVS.
Alright, so as you guys saw, I used the tape to line it up. Made the holes for the bottom bolts, which I'm gonna use these. Bullet nut, and I use that masking tape to help line it up. Started with the middle, and then I made sure the edges were like perfectly at the edge, and then I made the holes. And obviously next step is take the the plastic, I don't even know what it is, the plastic stuff off the 3M tape. That way they'll tape up now. And yeah, so I guess let's keep going. This is a pretty simple install. I don't know if I'm gonna end up getting the brake light to work, because it sounds like everybody has the same issue. So I might just have it non-functioning. So we'll see though. But yeah, let's throw this on and I'll give you guys a closer look at how it looks. And since you guys are here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And we just hit 1,500 subs, so 500 more subs, and we're doing another giveaway. You already know. Keep getting us up there, because, you know, the more subs, the more giveaways, the more content we can do. And all I'm going to say is pretty excited for this new 400Z. And hopefully, if everything goes well, I might have to cop one. And if you guys haven't checked out the 400Z, go check it out, because it looks so nice. But yeah, let's keep going. All right, guys, so I'm back. See, I got it wired in. Well, I just haven't tapped into the wires. I was trying to make sure. But for some reason, this light just doesn't want to work with me. When the lights are on, it just flashes like that, which is super annoying. I don't want people to like think I'm breaking all the time or something. But yeah, I can't figure it out, so I'm just gonna end up throwing the diffuser on, just like that, and it is just leaving the light on, just for looks, I guess. Maybe later on, I'll figure out the wiring, so I won't show you guys that. But I really can't figure it out. I even looked it up, and I guess it's a common issue with this one. So this is a Ninite, N-I-N-T-E. I don't know how you would say that, but this is that one, and it's not working. And I guess a few more people have had the same issue. So, but besides that, though, I mean, this thing looks nice. Look at that. So I put the 4 bolts underneath, and they're all mounted nice, and then the 3M tape is holding everything pretty secure. Doesn't even look like it'll move, honestly. But yeah, let me put all this stuff back together, you know, put this little cover back on, put the wiring back in, and that plastic panel, and the, you know, all that good stuff. So yeah, let me just wrap all that together, and then I'll show you guys out there in the light. Guys, I think it looks so good. Jeez. The fitment's really good too. I definitely recommend this. And I think it's like about $250 for it, which isn't too bad. Obviously I got it for cheaper locally, but had to come up on a deal, so yeah, don't mind that. We got the car like that. It had a little damage, but I'll give you guys a little walk around. You guys haven't seen the car in a minute. Interior's still stock. But now I matches my front lip, which if you guys haven't seen that video, go check that out. That lip was probably harder than the back one, I would say. Next thing I'm gonna do probably is black out all the chrome. So yeah. The car's coming along pretty nice. Simple OEM look. Maybe lower it later on, but we'll see. Without further ado, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one, and get ready for the tune, because I'm ordering the fuel pump right now.